Good machine. Too good. Best product with service. Nice product. It works awesome. Very good. We can wash anything in that. The only thing is the spinner cap is very delicate. No damage to the item, good packaging. I am using 6.5 kg LG washing machine for the last 20 years with zero complaints or repair. Now I have changed it with the bigger 11 kg LG washing machine is 6.5 was not sufficient now. Its delivery was on time, Sage not damage. I used the same day as it was Sunday. The tubs are bigger and speeds are perfect. Good for washing single blankets even if they are heavy. Double bed blanket I have not tried yet. Happy with my choice. Good product, 11 kg capacity, and get fast delivery. Packing was good, received sound and safe product. My mom really loves it. Product is good. Click link in description for more reviews.